timing wasn't bad.
We won again. Typical.
We just can't stop winning. I don't know about you, but...
Man, I'm a little spent. When was the last time I was at a village?
I don't know.
Bruh.
They smell. It is imperative that we kill them. Play _card 00.
I need you to understand the emotions that run through my mind when you spam that soundboard.
Despite being a cat, I am more familiar than a human would be with dogs. I know for a fact this is just a cat in a dog costume.
There's just nothing I can say, really.
I think if I did anything other than end turn, I'd be pretty locked up.